Hi everyone, today's widget is the button widget. Let's start the video.
An elevated button is a label child display on a material widget whose material elevation increase when the button is pressed. I implement the elevated button here. Give the comma at the close bracket of the drop down button. Press the enter. And type the elevated button. And put the round bracket. Press the enter. Now I give the text to the elevated button. Type child. Type text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma and type the text. Give the comma. Type on press method. Put the round bracket and put the curly bracket. Type the print. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma and type the message. And give the semicolon. Press message show in the messenger. Run the project. You can see the result. It's not look good. I want to add the icon and increasing the size of the button. For that, remove this code. And type the elevated button dot icon. Put the round bracket. Type the label. Type the text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma. Type the play. Type the icon. Again type the icon. Put the round bracket. Again type the icons. Dot. Select the icon as per your label. I select the play arrow. Give the comma. Type the on press method. Put the round bracket. Put the curly bracket. Type the message. Give the semicolon. Now type the style here. Type the elevated button. Dot style from. Type the text style. Again type the text style. Give the font size. I give the 30.0 and give the font weight. Again type the font weight. Dot select the font weight. I select the bold. Now run the project. Now you can see the result. Size is increasing but yet not look good. Now I change the color of the elevated button and the text color. For that, type here primary for elevated button, type the colors, dot, select the color, type the on primary. For text color, type the colors, dot, till. Now run the project. Now you can see the changes. Now I want to increase in the size of the icon. For that, give the comma here and type size and give the size. Run the project. You can see the changes. Now I want to give the space between the drop down button widget and the elevated button. For that, type after the drop down button close bracket, type the padding, type the edge insert only, type the top and give the value. I give the 50.0 and give the comma here. Now run the project. Now you can see the changes. Now I give the shadow color of the elevated button. Type the shadow color, type the colors, dot, I select the white color and apply the elevation. Type the elevation and give the value. Elevation control the size of the shadow below the material and the opacity of the elevation overlay color if it is applied. Now run the project. Now you can see the changes. Now I setting the border of the elevated button. This button does not come with the default border. If you want to show the border, you can pass a border side as a side parameter. Type the side, type the border side, type the color, type the colors, dot, I select the red color and give the width. I give the 5. Run the project. Now you can see the border. Now I decrease the size of the width. Select the 2. Again run the project. You can see the changes. Now I setting the shape of the elevated button. First I uncommented this line. Type shape const. Type the be well rectangle border. Type the border radius. Again type the border radius. Border radius dot all. Type the radius dot type the dot and select the circular. Now give the value. I give the 5. Now give the comma here and run the project. Now you can see small changes here. Now I apply the different style. Now apply this. Give the value x and y. I give the 15, 15. Again run the project. Now you can see the changes. Well, that's enough for today. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.